Have you ever stood by the microwave, plate in hand, wondering if you're about to make your meal healthier or risk your health, especially as the years go by? Hi, I'm glad you're here, because today I want to share something that could make a real difference in your kitchen, and even more importantly, in your life. Let's talk about 3 foods seniors should never reheat, and 3 you absolutely should, so you can savor every meal safely. First up, eggs. Scrambled eggs or omelets might seem harmless, but reheating them can actually change their proteins and make them tough to digest. For seniors, that means stomach upset or even food poisoning. So if you can, enjoy eggs fresh, not reheated. Second, rice. This one surprised me too. When cooked rice sits out for a while and then gets reheated, it can grow a nasty bacteria called Bacillus cereus. This bacteria can make anyone sick, but for seniors it's even riskier. So if you're not eating rice right away, store it in the fridge quickly and heat it thoroughly if you must reheat. But to stay safe, try not to reheat it at all. Third, leafy greens like spinach. Spinach is packed with nutrients, but when you reheat it, the nitrates can turn into compounds that might not be great for your body, especially as we get older. My tip? Only cook as much as you'll eat in one sitting. Now, let's look at the bright side. 3 foods you should reheat, because they're even better the second time around. Number 1, soups and stews. These are magic after a night in the fridge. The flavors blend, the nutrients stay put, and it's easy on the stomach. Just make sure to heat them up until they're steaming and you're set. Number 2, casseroles. Hearty casseroles often taste better after reheating, and the texture stays comforting. Just avoid any that use a lot of eggs or rice. And last, cooked root vegetables. Think potatoes, carrots, and beets. These get even softer and sweeter after a gentle reheat, making them perfect for those who need easy-to-chew, nutritious meals. If you found these tips helpful, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What foods do you always reheat, and which ones do you avoid? Drop a comment below and let's learn from each other. Remember, a little care in the kitchen can mean a lot more joy and health at the table. Take care and